If you are facing issue accessing your account and which shows C14A error code, then this video will be helpful for you. Here, we'll explain why you might be seeing this error message and how to resolve it. First, the error may appear if you are entering an incorrect username or password, so double check your login details before attempting to log in. And even if you are entering the correct credential, multiple failed attempts can trigger this error. In such case, you might need to follow additional steps to fix it. The next step is ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Sometimes a weak connection can cause problem. Next, ensure that you are using the latest version of the app. Check your app store for any available updates. And if you find any update, just update it to the latest version. Now, if you are still unable to access your account even after following the above steps, you may need to reset your password from Snapchat support. So let's open our web browser. Now type Snapchat support. Now you'll be at the homepage of Snapchat support. Tap on the option I can't access my account. After this, scroll down and tap on I forgot / can't access my email or phone number. Here, you'll get the option to reset your password. Tap on it. Here, you can type your email for the account you want to reset. After you've done the process, your issue might get resolved and you can have access to your Snapchat account back again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.